Alright y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple roasted game hen. For this, we have some stuffing. You can use your favorite. We have a Cornish game hen, of course. Some olive oil. Then for seasonings, we have lemon pepper, ground mustard, garlic powder, and some ginger. So let's get started. So first things first, we're just going to start by mixing our seasonings together. We're going to take a teaspoon of ginger and 3 teaspoons of ground mustard. I'm going to do half a tablespoon of garlic powder and then 4 tablespoons of our lemon pepper. Now we're just going to take and get this a good mix. And now we're going to set this to the side. Now we have our game hen in a small bowl. We're just going to take some of our olive oil and we're going to toss this bird in this olive oil really well. Now we're just going to take our mixture, sprinkle about half on the top, flip the bird over, sprinkle the other half on the other side. Now we're just going to rub. Make sure it gets coated in all the spots. We want this thing completely covered. And now we got our pan. We're using our cast iron skillet. It's already been lightly greased. We're just going to take our bird, sit it down in there. If there's any extra spots that you've missed with the seasoning, go ahead and you can smear that on. So now it's a good rub. Now we're just going to open up this cavity and we're going to stuff it full of stuffing. Now you want it fairly tight, but you don't want it super tight. And if you want, you can go ahead and leave some of it just kind of trailing out the back here. And also take a little bit and get it up in the top here. And if you want to, go ahead and make a little trail of stuffing if you like. And now we're just going to go ahead, cover this with tin foil. And now the next step is we're just going to throw this in the oven at 350 degrees for about an hour until we get an internal temperature of 165 to 175. At that time, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so ours has been in the oven for an hour. We're going to let this rest for another 15-20 minutes until we eat it. But it is done other than that. So if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. And if you have any video suggestions, go ahead and also leave a comment down below. And until next time, keep on cooking on.